Today on World Famous Foods, we're making oven roasted potatoes. Check us out. Okay, so we're gonna just cut up our potatoes, leaving the skins on. I'm gonna get all that flavor, all that fiber, all that fiber. Pretty simple recipe, baby. Pretty simple recipe. Okay, now we're gonna add some olive oil, some onion powder, garlic powder, some cayenne pepper, and some oregano. Mix this all up. Now we're going to add this to a pan. We're going to bake this for about 25 to 30 minutes, about 400 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, now it's time to turn our potatoes. We also added some chopped garlic to this because you know I'm a garlic head. Now what we're going to do, we're going to bake them for another 20 minutes, but we're going to add some butter, just a little bit more flavor. Okay folks, I think our potatoes are done. Okay. Set them here, we're going to take a look in a minute. Okay, let's check. Oh yeah. So now we just add some salt to it. There you have it folks, our world famous foods, oven roasted potatoes.